Hey, welcome back to Always Learning. What are we doing today? Well, today we're learning how to cold smoke cheese. And if you've never tried it, it's really good. It's a cheap way to make really nice smoked cheese. You don't even have to use expensive cheese. You can actually use cheap cheese. And you're just going to need a smoke tube because it's a cold smoke. And then you just need something to kind of contain it. I've got them sitting on these frog mats, and I'll put a link in the bottom. But these frog mats can actually go up to 500 degrees. You can throw them in the dishwasher, so they're nice for shrimp and everything, but I'm going to use them for stacking the cheese. Now, to do your cold smoke, you're just going to put pellets in there. I'm going to use apple wood, and just fill it full of apple wood because it's a little milder, so it's not quite as strong. And then you've got two choices. You can either take a blowtorch and just simply heat this up, not touching it, but just get it fired up so that the pellets start smoking good. Give them about 15 minutes and then put your cheese in it. I'm going to smoke it for 2 hours and then take it off. If you don't want to do that, you can actually use this fire starter gel. You put just a little bit in the tube and you put your pellets in there, and then you simply light the gel, let it burn for about 15 minutes, get a good smoke going. You can flip them if you want, you can stand them up, but you can do cheese, you can actually smoke nuts, and you can actually smoke chocolate chips if you want them. But give it a try. It's just an easy way to add a little flavor and make something a little nicer than it is. If you want to give it away as a gift or something. So anyway, we'll show you how to do it. Okay, so I've got some gel in there, but I'm still going to use the blowtorch and just get it going. So once that gets smoking, you're going to let it, like I said, you're going to let it set up for about 15 minutes, and then we'll come back. The grill's not on. It's just the pellet grill. I'm just using this as basically a smoker unit to put the cheese in, but we'll let that get going for about 15 minutes, then we'll come back. Okay, so the tube's smoking. Now I'm just going to set the cheese in, and we'll just let it smoke for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. That's kind of what you're looking for. Like I said, pretty easy. Just want a light smoke coming out of the top. Let it do its thing. Okay, we're an hour in. That apple wood is smelling good. Let it clear out, and I'm just gonna flip it. All right, so there's 2 hours. We're gonna pull it off, wrap it in saran wrap, let it set for 24 to 48 hours in the fridge, and then I'll vacuum seal it. And then you want to let it set vacuum sealed for about 14 days. You can set it longer, but 14 days is gonna let that smoke taste mellow. If you try to eat it right away, it's gonna taste like ash with an H. So anyway, that's it. Smoking cheese, like I said, you can smoke chocolate chips, you can smoke chocolate, you can smoke nuts, but you really kind of want to do it on a day like today where it's under 50, so you're not going to have to worry about things melting. You just get a nice smoky flavor. But that's how you do a cold smoke. Thanks for watching.